Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with 4 more scholarships for you to study in Netherlands for very low cost or almost free in many cases. So let's dive deeper and check out these scholarships. These are specifically for non-European students. So anybody outside Europe, that means from Asia, Africa or other parts of the world that are not in the European Union. So let's check out the scholarships quickly. If you have any questions, you can always book a call with me, whether it is for applying jobs, applying scholarships or applying for study positions in Europe. And the link is on screen and in description. Just book a call with me and we'll talk one-on-one for your application specifically. Now for this video, let's start with the first scholarship that is from the University of Twente in Netherlands. And this is specifically for non-European students who want to study masters or MSc at the Twente University. If you qualify for this scholarship, you also have a chance to go for one of the honors program of this university, that is research honors, design honors or change honors. Now what is the scholarship value? You get a benefit of 3,000 euros to up to 22,000 euros. That means up to 21 lakhs you are covered with the scholarship, and this amount is only for 1 year. For next year you have to apply again. So this money will be given to you if you win the scholarship, and it is up to you for how to spend this money. So maybe your university or your master's fees is 10,000 euros, so you spend 10,000 on masters and remaining 10,000 euros on your living cost, but it's up to you. So make sure if you win this scholarship, make sure not to waste the money and really use it for fruitful purposes like your living cost and your tuition fees and any study related cost only. You can also receive this scholarship for 2 years, but there are conditions to it. You should have an average grade of 7 out of 10 at the end of first year, and you must have covered at least 50% of the credits that your whole course is. So if it is 100 ECTS course, then you should have covered at least 50 ECTS in your first year to be eligible for the second part of the scholarship. You will get same amount that you got in the first year in your second year as well if you become eligible and apply for it. Then there is one more scholarship that is related to this scholarship. So in Netherlands, most scholarships are related to each other. So if you apply for this Twente scholarship, then you automatically become eligible for Kipaji scholarship, and you can apply for this also. All the details for it are given in the official website, and the official website is linked in the description. Now, what's the application deadline? It is 1st of February for the upcoming winter semester. So if your course starts in September, then you should apply for the scholarship on 1st of Feb itself. The application requirements are, you will need an academic admission letter first. That means you should apply for a course at University of Twente and then you can apply for this scholarship. You should be admitted to one of the qualifying University of Twente masters program that are starting in September 2025, and you must have a student number. You have not graduated from this university previously for your bachelor's. You also comply with the conditions to get visa for Netherlands, and your IELTS score is 6.5 or 6. Also, you must belong to best 5 of the 10% of your class. Make sure to get this certificate from your university or college of your home country or your bachelor's college. Very important for application, there are 2 rounds to this scholarship. So the first round, you have to apply by 1st of Feb. If you qualify for the first round, then you can apply on 1st until 1st of May for the second round. The scholarship process is shown in this diagram on the screen. Radboud scholarship is specifically for non-European students who are struggling financially to pay the fees. The general fees for masters at Radboud University is from 2,000 euros to up to even 17,000 euros. So this will be sponsored from this scholarship. You have to apply for English taught masters only. Unlike the previous scholarships that I mentioned in my previous video, in this scholarship, the Radboud encouragement will cover your tuition fees as well as your living cost. And the living cost are 14,460 euros for Netherlands as said by the government. Scholarship is available for all these faculties that are shown on the screen. This will also cover your visa, health insurance, resident permit and liability insurance for the duration of your stay in Netherlands. Again, this is a 2 years scholarship. That means if you get it for first year and you want it for second year again, then you have to pass all of your subjects in your first year and then you can become eligible to apply for it for your second year. The conditions are similar to other scholarships that are shown on the screen right now. That means you should be non-European citizen, you should have your bachelor's from outside Netherlands, you should qualify for the English language requirements, and your academic excellence also should be at par to apply for this university. Also, you should be admitted to English taught masters that is starting from September 2025. How to apply for it? Just go to the Osiris application portal, apply or upload all of your documents. Your motivation letter and CV should be really good. If you need any help, just book a call with me, and that's how you can go about. So the deadline for the scholarship is 31st of Jan. Make sure to have all of your documents ready before that. One important thing for this scholarship is don't use the same motivation letter that you used to apply for your master's for this scholarship, because when you apply for the scholarship, you also have to state, are you struggling financially to pay the fees, what is your financial condition, your academic excellence, and why you deserve the scholarship. These are some extra points that will come in your motivation letter when you upload it for your scholarship application. For masters, it will be about why you want this master's program, how do you qualify, previous experience, and in general academic excellence. They also have free webinars on 15 Jan and 21st Jan. So if you want any information or have questions, you can talk to the university directly. The link to apply for the scholarship is given in the description. Let's move on to our next scholarship. The next scholarship is Maastricht University High Potential Scholarship. This one awards 21 scholarships of about 34,000 euros, which covers your tuition fees in Netherlands and along with a monthly stipend. So the conditions for this scholarship are that you are a non-European citizen, you have applied for a full-time master's program at the Maastricht University of Netherlands, you are not older than 35 years of age as of September 2025. So your age should not be 35 on 1st of September 2025. So while applying the scholarship, you should be 34 or below, not 35. You should have good grades in your bachelor, that means 7.5 out of 10 or higher, and you can submit this application only once. So make sure that you comply with all these conditions, your documents are up to date, your motivation letter is perfect, and your grades, transcripts, all are clear. And this is a very, very competitive scholarship, so only 2% people who apply for it get it. So make sure your grades are really good while applying. The duration of the scholarship is 13 months for 1 year masters and 25 months for a 2 years masters. So what is the duration? That means how the tuition fees for which duration it will be waived off, and stipend for how many months you'll get. So for 1 year's master, 13 months, and for 2 years master, 25 months. Now, what are the scholarship amounts? So living cost for 1 year masters, you can get up to 15,925 euros, and for 2 years masters, you can get up to 30,625 euros, which is a lot of money. The health and liability insurance is 700 euros, and your visa application cost is covered, your tuition fees are covered, and your pre-academic training cost will also be covered. One good thing is when you see the accommodation crisis, that people are getting jobs but not getting accommodation or place of stay here, with this scholarship you also get a pre-allocated room. So you have to accept this. You cannot say no. If you say no for the room, then your scholarship will also be cancelled, and this is possible, and this room allows only one person to live there. So if you're moving with your spouse or children or family, then you cannot stay there. So this is for you alone. Now, how to apply for this? You have to apply for an English taught masters at the University of Maastricht before applying for the scholarship. Once you get this place, only then you're eligible to apply. So by now you should have got a place at the University of Maastricht, and then you can apply for the scholarship with your student ID number. The application portal is called StudyLink. What documents should be ready while submitting are all these shown on the screen. First of all, your CV, your letter of motivation, your academic mark sheets, your bachelor's mark sheet, your transcripts, your personal statement of why you need these funds, a reference letter from maybe your professor or head of department or project guide or manager, and also contact of this reference person. Make sure to apply before 1st of Feb, because that is the deadline for the scholarship. The final scholarship for this video is the University of Maastricht Global Studies Scholarship. This is not master scholarship, but this is the bachelor scholarship. This is specifically for OECD countries like Africa, India, and you should not have studied before in Europe or in Netherlands to be able to apply for this scholarship. The unique feature of this scholarship is that it helps you to participate in a local program that is supported by an NGO, and to take this forward and find solutions for it. And this is a full scholarship. That means again your tuition fees will be waived off, and you will receive monthly stipend for your living cost for every academic year. So here it is 36 months. That means 3 years of your bachelor's. Now, what are the eligibility criteria for this? These are the ones shown on the screen. First of all, you should have nationality of a country that is eligible to receive OECD or official development assistance from OECD, and you can get visa for Netherlands. There would be no problem for it. And you do not have a dual nationality from any European country, and you have never participated in a degree program in Netherlands. You also do not have a diploma from a higher education institution. Then you are eligible to apply if you have completed a degree program that is equal to a bachelor's degree. You should not be older than 35 years of age on 1st of September, and you agree to become an active global studies and University of Maastricht ambassador during and after your studies. So you have to share your experiences in this. And the last one is that you have submitted your application for global studies program via the StudyLink in the university portal. Now, what all will you get in this scholarship? First of all, the living cost, that is 15,925 euros per academic year. Your tuition fees is waived off anyways. Health and liability insurance, then visa application cost, and also your pre-academic training cost. Again, same thing, there will be a room that is allocated to you with this scholarship. If you accept it, then you get the scholarship. If you say no to that room or accommodation, then the scholarship also is cancelled. But I think this is good, because why would you keep on looking for room in Netherlands when you are getting one allocated? It's a hassle, believe me, not just Netherlands, but in whole of Europe right now, finding a cheap accommodation is very, very, very tough. Application procedure, as I explained before, you have to apply on the StudyLink and submit all of your documents like your CV, your transcripts, your bachelor's certificate, your motivation letter, your reference letter, contact details of the referee, and also a personal statement which talks about or give reasons to why you need financial needs. So you can say that your family is not able to afford, or the income of your family is really low, and that is the reason. So you have to explain and give all the criteria and proofs that why you deserve so much funding to study in Netherlands. Last but not the least, the deadline is 1st of Feb. Make sure that your documents are good. If you have any problems, just book a call with me and I will go through your documents before applying. And that's all for this video. I hope you apply for some of the scholarship and move to Europe soon. All the best. See you in my next one. Bye bye.